Hello my dear future CA intermediate students. I am here to announce HighQ Professional Academy's premium batch for CA Inter November 24 attempt.
Why wait when you can give an early head start to your career? Picture this, when other students are still struggling to complete this syllabus, our students will be clearing their understandings, gaining confidence over the concepts and aiming for top ranks.
To become a chartered accountant, 3 aspects are required. 1 is to plan. Plan early. 2nd, execute the plan. Execute early. And 3rd is determined to become All India rank holder.
Our approach isn't rushed, it's strategic. It's about mastering the concept, gaining confidence and being 100% prepared for success in our exam.
By joining our premium batch, you are not just signing up for the classes. Actually, you are investing in your future success.
Join the early bird batch for CA Inter November 24.
We are here to guide you, support you and help you to excel.
So, join me now at HighQ's premium batch and
let's embark the journey of success together.
Register yourself and start your studies before the results comes.
Remember, failing to plan is planning to fail.
we are eagerly waiting for you all to meet in our HighQ's premium batch.
HighQ, the ideal destination to achieve your CA dreams.